How to save an Instagram story with music in 2021. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now here I have a story with music on there, and if you click on more and then click on save right there, if you click on save story or save video, they'll both be saved without the actual audio. It doesn't really matter if it's like music you added on the story or if it's music from a video or like audio from a video. It just doesn't save. So if you click on here, as you can see, save without audio. Now to actually download it with audio, you want to go to your browser, search for this website, storysaver.net. Here type in your username like this, and you'll just have to wait for it, do the CAPTCHA thing, then click on download. And here it is. And on Android it's pretty easy. If you just click on save video, it will just automatically download it. On iPhone it's a little bit annoying because if you click on there, it will just open up the video. And on iPhone, to like bypass this, you want to just hold this and then click on download linked file with like your other finger, and it will just download it just like that right there. So I'm just gonna do it again real quick. Save video, hold your finger on the download linked file, and it should save it like I did right here. So I'm just gonna stop that one because I've already downloaded it. Then click on this video, click on the share button on the bottom left, then click on save video right there, and that will simply save it with audio or music in your photos. So that's as easy as that. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.